Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be fitting 6C taillights to my 6R. Now some people do this, some people don't, some people like it, some people don't. Some people like to keep the originality of the car, but I prefer the look of these. They look more modern, more contemporary, so yeah, we'll see how we get on. I'm sure, well, it's meant to be pretty easy. I haven't seen any videos on it, but I'm sure it'll go alright. So yeah, we'll check the taillights out, we'll get to installing it. This is the original 6R taillight. As you can see, it's got a nice L shape, and most people do like these, to be fair. Most people get them tinted and stuff, but I've decided to upgrade it. As you can see, it's got a massive scratch all the way through, so I've decided to upgrade them. Yeah, and that's the old one, and this is a new one. This is the new 6C headlight. As you can see, side by side. I think it's a lot more contemporary, a lot more modern looking. This one's brand new, OEM quality. So, and apparently they give off a better light because of the wattage of the ball, of the running light. So yeah, not bad. So we'll fit these to the car and we'll see how it goes, see how it looks. So in order for these to work in your 6R, they have different connectors. So as you can see here, this connector is completely different to the one that you'll find on your Polo 6R. So you'll need like a conversion kit, a conversion wire, which I purchased from the VW Polo forum. Really good guys on there, lots of knowledgeable people, always willing to help you. So got sent these the other day, and all they are two connectors. So as you can see, this is the one from the original, from the back wiring from the 6R, and this is the one that clips into your tail light. So as you can see, let's place it out like that. It should just click in, just like so. And then this one you'd put into your wires, which attach to your car, and then hopefully they should work. So we'll give that a go, and I'll get back to you. So in order to remove your tail light, you need to undo this little clip here, which will just pop down, and then if you see inside, you've got a little bolt here, which is really hard to get into, but you need to twist it. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? It is. Give me a second. It's anti-clockwise, and that should release the real taillight. The bolt should come straight out, and these fit in the 6C taillights as well, so you don't have to buy any new bolts or anything. But they look like this, which spring locks it into place. So now we will remove the headlight, remove this connector. I don't know if you can see that, a bit dark, and then attach the new ones. So I just thought I'd quickly show you how they disconnect. So this is the little connector. You push down on these two tabs here. Hang on, if it focuses. That one there, and the one at the bottom. See those two? Squeeze them in, and then the tail light should come up away. So I'm going to give these a quick clean, like I've done with the other side. As you can see. And then we'll slot the new lights in. So in typical British weather, it's now started raining, which is great. But we need to crack on. So this is the connector that I showed you earlier. So this black piece fits onto this piece here, and then the other end will fit into the tail light. Let's get it done. Right, so As you can see, the orange clip is now in the tail light. The other clip is clipped to the car, and the plug is back in and secure. That's all nice and secure and solid. Yeah, I'll show you what they look like once we've closed these tabs up. Give them a test, and hopefully they work. And there it is. Nice, quick and simple install. I think it makes it look so much more up to date and modern. I say. So there you have it, guys. A nice, quick, simple video showing you how to upgrade your 6R to 6C taillights. Pretty simple. I think it looks good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.